good recorder.
Oh, it's recording. Say hi.
Wait, it's recording now?
Yeah.
Okay.
Say hi. Hi. Here.
Let's watch
Okay,
Samantha
so what day
eat.
is it today?
It is Wednesday of the 21st.
Oh yeah, it is.
21st of July, 2010. And
Yeah.
we're at Subway. Here.
Subway! Look at the food stuff.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's so awesome.
We're at Subway. Look at the meals. Can you zoom in?
Okay, so you order here. We're making a commercial, right? Yeah. You order
Shoot.
here, and then I forgot now.
Yeah. We're at Subway. And look at what she got. Oh my god. Look at her money. Because I'm bored. Cookies. Cookies, yeah, cookies. Look at the delicious cookie. Oh my god, chocolate chip. Wait, I need to zoom out. Oh, I'm already zoomed out. Yeah, because I'm bored. Don't record me. But I record so good, I'm not even making the camera move.
So I just don't want to look at the camera because I think my face is like all ugly or something. Yeah.
I like his belt. You saw nothing. Look at the text message I got.
Oh my god, it's a text message
My
from someone.
sister.
Oh.
She says, oh, gotta charge my phone. Hold on.
Yay, I'm recording myself. Oh my god, this is so cool. It's so cool. Oh my god.
Let's film the chips. Look at the chip. Okay, wait, okay. Look at the chips. Chips are so delicious. Make sure you don't like cover the lid and it'll turn off.
Oh. Don't cover it.
Like, don't like close it, like flip it.
Oh, I get it. Like,
Because it'll turn off, that's what turns it off and on.
oh, then that's cool. I'm just gonna smell them. Wait, record Sonic. Yay!
Sonic, look at it's his eye.
Okay, the video's too long now. Yeah.
It's 2 minutes and 36 seconds.
I have 2 hours and 47 minutes to record. Look at the
Yeah, this
awesome
one.
phone. No, I got that one.
Oh.
I think it's that one. Oh, you can see the camera.
What?
That's cool. Look, you can see the
You're
camera.
recording the camera?
You can see the camera on my phone.
Oh, yeah, the reflection. Oh my god, that is so cool.
My phone looks shiny.
Phone taking a picture.
Oh yeah.
Okay.
Like what the Fresnos do.
Oh yeah.
Am I on the phone?
You can't
Oh.
see much. Now eat your half almost eaten.
My turn.
More than half.
Okay. Yay!
Look at the amazing bracelet.
Oh, I thought you said Amazing Grace.
I know, the awesome bracelet.
Yay!
I need a napkin. I want to get
Look at
I was like, I would, but and then I was like gonna give him a napkin. Look at our conversation that we're having.
Oh, okay.
Having a conversation.